parking lot here. It looks like it's just going to kind of go around a little bit, so around to the front of the building. Just let it do its thing. Kind of a roundabout way of doing this, but it's following the navigation there, so. Speed bump, slow down. I mean, yeah, even these parking lots, it's handling these speed bumps really well. Nice. We should probably almost be to our spot here. Just kind of wanted to see what it does here. So it looks like it rerouted now. Interesting. Rerouted back to the spot we just drove by. It's waiting for me to take over now. Just out of curiosity, let's see what happens when it loops around again. We'll do the split screen here. Just take a look at where it's going. All right, there we go. Perfect. Dropped us off right in front of the store. Very interesting. So yeah, we kind of shot by the front of the store, looped around, and then pulled back up. Interesting behavior. We'll mess with that a little more next time. But yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to check out right now. So awesome. We'll do another video later.